Okay, thank you. Everybody, first of all, big thanks. Last lecture I went, they said you have to speak with the bar open. And that's very difficult, trust me. I mean, you can be a good speaker, but you cannot compete with the bar. And so I must thank you for all the respect you're showing me. You could have started drinking even now. At least my jokes would have seemed funnier a little bit. But we can all go out drinking today. So congratulations on all of you for making it to this conference. Because I heard that only leaders of ICICI have really made it here. ऐसा कोई भी दुनिया में आदमी नहीं है जो आपको कोई बहुत ही नई बात बता देगा अब. Because you've seen life, right? Life, most of you have lived half their life, I think. I know some of you are in their 20s, but most of us have lived half our life, I think. And we've seen a lot. So there's nothing novel and there's nothing new I'm going to come and tell you that, turn your hair color red and life is going to change. Nothing like that will happen. And so what happens? How does motivation actually work? What happens is, I think in everyone's mind there is a wise person and there is a stupid person. Within the same brain, there is a wisdom and there is stupidity. There is restraint and there is panic. There is intelligence and there is lack of intelligence. That thing is there. There's a risk taker and there's a risk averse person. Everybody has it within them. And that is why human beings are complex. It is not like I am this and this person is like that. Everybody has different shades of different things within the same human being, same soul, you can call it whatever. And what happens is, sometimes in life things get tough for all of us. Right from our student days, whether you don't get admission in your job, you don't get promotion, I don't know, in your relationships maybe. And what happens is that you lose that wisdom. Because life is tough, so suddenly your brain starts malfunctioning, if for lack of a better word. And it starts losing that wisdom. It starts losing that belief. Because it focuses a lot on current circumstances. It focuses that things are not working out. I am not well equipped to handle this. Actually, I am not well equipped at all. Actually, मेरा कुछ हो नहीं सकता. Actually, अब खत्म हो गई बात. Those kind of negative thinking patterns set in. And therefore, the wisdom is lost. At a student level, you find IIT students committing suicide, which, think of it, is the stupidest thing on earth. They are IIT students. It's 1 out of 100 people get into IIT. And you can't have a better college than that in this country, and they are committing suicide. What is happening to them? Their brain has told them that in their analysis, it's not worth him to live anymore because nothing to look forward to in life. So it can happen like that. At that time, if some person comes into your life, whether it's motivation speaker, whether it's your friend, whether it's whoever, who has that wisdom light on, that wisdom switch is on for him, he can come to you and he can switch your light back on. That's all that person can do. But the light is within you. He can't put a bulb inside you. No. But that light can be switched back on. That, life is not like how you've been seeing it. Your brain is not telling you the right messages. But that is what it is.